guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. And आज का हमारा workout video, at home workout video थोड़ा सा different होने वाला है because this time I'm going to take help of some dumbbells, some weights. And I know लड़कियों के लिए workout, gym जाना itself is a whole war. घर पे सबको convince करना and all of that. And मेरे लिए भी ये था बिल्कुल because Indian parents, oh my god, they only allow girls to go to the gym जब हम लोग overweight हो जाते हैं, obesity हो जाते हैं या fitness जैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. But we should focus on our end result, that is fitness. तो आप घर पे भी workout कर सकते हो. You can take help of some dumbbells or you can just do it anyways. Yeah, I hope this video helps and आप कहीं ना कहीं इस वीडियो से इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हो. So basically आज के इस वीडियो में मैं कुछ चेस्ट वर्कआउट दिखाऊंगी using some dumbbells जो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा. And I know चेस्ट वर्कआउट सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होता है. So without further ado, let's get started. So that's pretty much about the whole video, and just try out these exercises and you'll see your fat burning. So give this video a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and please subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments कि आपको video कैसा लगा. Follow me on Instagram @Alisha180_, and yeah, I Pyaar you guys so much. Tada, I'll see you in the next one.